and welcome to my channel. So this is another unboxing video. I finally invested in a Vitamix. So I did a lot of research, and this started because I wanted to start a Daniel fast, and I was looking for a blender to buy for my smoothies and for anything else that I wanted to do. So Vitamix kept coming up as a very good investment in blenders if you want a blender that will last a long time. I read countless list of reviews, and I also saw countless videos and went on their website, read around, did silly Google search like why is Vitamix so expensive and also I did why should I buy Vitamix. This one comes with a 5-year warranty, so at least for 5 years I know that I'll have a blender, I guess. 5 years, God willing. At least for 5 years this will be serviced by them if I encounter any situation. So this is the 300 professional series, and it is the Reconditioned. Ooh, it is quite heavy. I don't know how I'm gonna take this out. Okay, let me put it on the floor. Okay, so getting this out of the box is a bit of a mission. It is quite heavy as well. Oh boy. I had to struggle to actually bring that under the box, but that's fine. So it comes with this cookbook and certified reconditioned next generation Vitamix. Okay, alright. Alright. So it comes with this protective thing and okay, so now let's inspect this thing. It is, I'm not going to lift the motor part, but this is how the jar looks. The jar basically looks very clean. It looks neat. It doesn't actually look like it's been used, so quite impressive for something that is reconditioned. Yeah, so this is a jar. It sounds very durable. The infamous tamper. So when I opened it, the book was here. This is the motor, and the plug is on this side, and that is on that side. There was nothing in these two, and the jar was here. This jar, in my opinion, it looks very clean and really new. I don't think this has actually been used. Oh, I'm trying to get good lighting. So yeah, this is how the jar looks like. As I said, it is very clean. It looks very new. I don't think this has actually been used. And let's try and open it. I'm gonna try and take out the motor now. So, hey! Oh my gosh! This is heavy! Oh my goodness! This is so heavy! No wonder, when I got the box I was thinking, why is this so heavy? Oh my goodness! This is professional indeed. It is quite heavy. Alright, so this is the motel. And I am glad that I have my own Vitamix. finally I have been able to invest in a Vitamix. I have the Professional series, and it's the Professional 300 series. I basically got this on the Vitamix website, and it came with this cookbook and where's the temper, and with this temper, and yeah, I'm actually happy with it. The jar actually looks, oh, I haven't actually mentioned that this is actually a certified reconditioned blender, so it came with a bit of a discount because of the fact that it's certified reconditioned. The writings on the blade looks gold, so I don't know if it's meant to be gold or it's rusted. I'm pretty sure it's not rusted. They won't send me something that's rusted, right? The jar looks very clean and quite new, although I can see a few marks on there. It's not too obvious. The motor is very heavy. I assume because it's a good quality motor, that's why. When I received the box, I was thinking, why is this so heavy? Usually the blenders that we've used in this house has not been that very heavy. Obviously they were 600 watts, and I believe this one is in the thousands watts, and yeah, they've worked. The 600 watts have worked for the usual African cooking and usual cooking, my usual blending for my hair smoothies and stuff. It's usually very creamy. When I'm blending my avocado hair mixture, it works really fine. However, when I do blend my fruits and stuff, it doesn't really make it as creamy as it does with the avocado. And I've seen a few videos where it basically purified the smoothie, so I'm hoping that it would do the same for me in the very long run. So other specification of this is that it is certified reconditioned. It comes with this tamper and this cookbook. It also comes with a 5-year warranty. Now, I am in the UK, so if you're in the UK and you're interested in getting a Vitamix, you can actually go to their website. It's also available on Amazon, but I found the one on their website quite cheaper. Although I thought that shipping was free, it wasn't free. I had to pay for shipping, which was £10, and I bought this on Thursday morning, and it came on Friday afternoon around 2 o'clock. The shipping was quite fast. It said it was going to take 8 to 15 working days for me to receive this, so I was quite surprised when it came the next day. With the pandemic going on, I thought, okay, it is basically going to take that long, but I'm quite surprised that it actually didn't take that long. But I'm actually very happy with this. I am also looking into getting a juicer. I used to juice back in the day, so this is all part of me investing in a healthy lifestyle. I know some people will say you should just eat the fruits, but we all know it's very hard to eat the fruit. It's not hard, but there are certain things that I feel like I can have a lot more in one if I blend it rather than sit there and eat them one by one. Although it is therapeutical, I also would like to have my smoothies on the go. So I'm very happy with this purchase. I haven't tried it yet. Don't worry, I'm not going to beat you up. Basically going to get some of the recipes in this book to try. The other reason why I bought this was also because I wanted to start a Daniel fast, and the first Daniel fast was for 10 days, and it was only eating just pulse, which is basically vegetables or beans, and I needed something to help me by incorporating different recipes that I can blend and eat, in addition to smoothie and vegetable stuff that I can have. So this is the reason why I looked into getting a smoothie. Initially, I wanted to get a juicer, but I thought just drinking juice, I don't feel is a healthy way for me. I'm very skinny, so I don't want to lose any more weight. So that is why I actually bought this. When I do get the juicer, I will also reveal that, and we can go on this journey together. So it's not just going to be running and eating. I'm also going to share some of my recipes, or some of these recipes in this book. Obviously there will be stuff that I don't like, and I'm going to modify it. And when I do start the Daniel fast, I will let you know what other recipes. There are some African foods that are Daniel fast friendly that you can actually incorporate. So thank you so much for sticking with me, and until next time, it is goodbye. This is my Vitamix Professional Series 300. Oh boy.